Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hi Kuya Ken, happy birthday. God bless you. Salamat sa buhay mo. Dalangin ko na patuloy kang maging mabuting ama kina Ansley at Keyon at magiging patuloy na mabuting husband kay Ate Maya. Ikaw ang Hayon Bin ni Ate Maya, the chef landing on Ate Maya. At nami-miss ka namin. Maraming salamat sa mga magagandang memories na nung andito ka sa UAE. At masayang-masaya ako na binigyan kayo ni Lord ng mabuting kalagayan dyan sa New Zealand. At dalangin ko na patuloy pa kayong pagpalain ng Panginoon at patuloy lang na maging mabuting ehemplo, magiging mabuting ehemplo sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga taong nakakasalamuha nyo dyan. Patuloy lang kayong maging light and salt sa New Zealand at nami-miss namin kayo, yung mga bata, si Ansley at Keyon, napaka maganda at pogi, at si Ate Maya, maganda ang inyong mga pinupuntahan, ang ganda-ganda dyan sa New Zealand. Masayang-masaya ako na masaya kayo dyan at maganda ang inyong kaloob, maganda ang inyong kalagayan dyan. Happy birthday Kuya Ken! God bless you!
Happy birthday, Tita Ken. Happy birthday, Tita Ken. Happy birthday, Tita Ken.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Tita Ken. Happy birthday, Tita Ken.
Happy birthday, bro! God bless you!
Happy you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ken. Enjoy your special day. Miss you. Love you all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear brother. I love you all. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Ken!
Happy birthday, brother!
We miss you! We love you!
Kailan kayo magbabakasyon dito?
Habibi,
Yala,
come to Dubai!
Come to Al-Ain, Tata!
Come to Alain!
Happy birthday, God bless!
God bless!
Hi Nong, happy birthday! Kaloy Diyos, basi pang permi ka mong samayad ng paramachan. Igalaman ko, proud na proud mambang si Mami sa progress na midyan ka sa imong kabwi. Hindi permilipatan si God, magpakitawan ng guidance, igbuatan tanang center sa kung ano man imong ibubuat. God bless us always and see you when I see you.
Hi no, happy birthday. Wish ko kanimo na pasipang tawan ka pa ni Lord, ibata mo pang dagon nga para mag-celebrate yung birthday. I-enjoy mo lang yung mga adlaw nga dya. And God bless. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Token! Enjoy your day! You say happy birthday, Tita Ken! Bye! Hi! You say hi! You say hi! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Bye!
Hi, Tito Ken. Happy birthday. I hope you have a great day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Ken!
Happy birthday, Brother Ken. God bless you on your 18th birthday. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, kumpadre. Basta wag mo kalimutan magsaing, okay? Kailangan ready na yung pagdating namin para may kakainin na tayo. God bless, bro. Keep
Kain mo na lang daw
safe.
sa Elise dyan.
Bye-bye.
Hello to everyone. Hug
Miss you
everyone.
Bye-bye. God bless.
Hi Tito Ken, happy birthday po. May God bless you and your family with good health and abundant joy. We miss you, Ansley, Keyon, and Tita Maya. We love you guys.
Hi guys, kamusta? Kumpadre, happy birthday sa iyo and more blessing, good health, and praying for your safety as well sa pag-drive mo dyan and kung saan mo kayo napunta. And may the Lord's favor be upon you and to your family. And ayan, we miss you and we love you guys. And see you when I see you. Ayun, enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ba?
Happy birthday. Kamarch.
Kamarch.
More birthdays to come and good health to you and to you, the whole family. We miss celebrating with you. God bless.
O nga, happy birthday. Parang kailan lang. Maraming handa. Na-miss namin ang handa mo, Ken.
Yes.
Happy birthday, bro. May the Lord give you long satisfied life. At lagi kayong ingatan dyan. At patuloy kayong maglingkod sa Panginoon. At kami, we always remember you in our prayers. That may the Lord always guide you and bless you sa lahat ng mga ginagawa ninyo. At magpatuloy lang tayong lagi. Yun lang yung lagi kong pinapayo sa bawat isa. Let's continue to serve the Lord. At the end of the day, lahat lang ng bagay na ginagawa natin sa Diyos, yun ang may kabuluhan. Ayun lang yung may value. Kaya, continue serving the Lord. At wag tayong hihinto. Habang nabubuhay tayo, let's continue to dedicate and serve the Lord. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
God bless you! Maya.
Maya.
Ken and Maya.
Ansley
and Kiyon. And si Ma'am.
And Mommy. Mimi.
Okay, God bless. See you soon.